Guys, for those of you that want to deposit on tickbit.ai, I just got the request that I should make a video on how to deposit. Okay, for those of you that requested that video, this is how to go about it. Log into your app. This is one of my accounts. Note, you can create 2 accounts, but don't create multiple accounts. Don't create many accounts like 10 accounts. Don't loot. There's strict banning. Okay, but this is one of my accounts. But for those of you that are currently looking for way to deposit, this is it. Once the app opens, click here. Okay, this is strictly for deposit section for those that requested how to deposit. Okay, that's what I'm making this update for. So take note of this. Okay, go to deposit, look at it, click on it, tap on it. You can see my deposits have been complete. I've deposited 3 times. Okay, I've deposited $19, approximately $20. Okay, and I've withdrawn as well. So if you want to deposit, after entering that section, click on any amount. Let's say you want to deposit $1,000. Okay, every day you'll be making $30 every day. Every week you'll be making $232. While per month you'll be getting $1,444, which means if you deposit $1,000 now, currently you will get $444 profit, which is 40% per month. That is very reasonable. Okay, very reasonable. I think that is self-explanatory. Once you do this, take note, once you do this, go to continue, then select the network. The one I advise you to use USDT. Use USDT, that is the fastest. Okay, BEP2, BEP20. Then create invoice. Click on create invoice. Click on here, create invoice. Once you click on it, okay, once you click on it, the deposit option will be open. Once it's open, go and deposit. Let's say create invoice. Okay, send $1,000. You have to send $1,001 to this address, which means $1 will be for the transaction fee. Okay, so if you are sending 1,000, take note of this. If you want to deposit, let me correct you now. Most people say they are depositing, but they have issues. This is how not to have issues. Okay, number 1, this is how I usually do my own. If I deposit on this platform, it takes just like 5 seconds, almost immediately. Okay, almost immediately. So the best way, this is what I do. If you want to deposit, let's say $1,000 or $500, $5,000, it depends how many amount you want to deposit. Okay, you can deposit $10,000. The higher your capital you deposited, the higher your profit you are going to make. Okay, so click on copy. This is it. Click on copy. Remember, this is USD. You can deposit any coins, but I encourage you to use USDT BEP20 Binance Network one. That is the fastest one. Okay, click on the copy. Once you click on copy, go to your exchange, go to wherever your funds is, then go copy. You already know how to send. Okay, go to your wallet and send here, deposit here. Once you click on the 1,000, copy this amount. Look at it. Copy this amount and deposit. Once you copy it, let's say you want to deposit $1. Type $1.1 and send it. Don't go and send $0.9. Let it be little higher. If it's little less, there might be an issue with your deposit. I hope this is self-explanatory. I'm doing this for this member that currently says, our subscriber in our channel that says how to deposit. I should make a video how to deposit. Okay, I'm doing this for you now. Take note of this. If I have to deposit, let's say $1,000 for instance. Okay, deposit $1,102. $1,002. Deposit it, which is $1,002. Deposit, so that you will not have issues with your deposit. Don't deposit less than the amount that is shown to you. this is the amount you have to deposit. Any amount you have to deposit, it will be shown repeated here. So the ones you see here is what you deposit, not what you type here. I hope you have understand this. So the amount you type here is what you want to deposit, right? But the amount that is shown to you here is the amount is what you should copy and go and deposit. The best way, increase it a little bit. Let's say if you are depositing $500, add $500 and add $0.5 to it, or add $1 to it, which is $501. I hope you are, this is self-explanatory. Okay, this case you'll be adding, your deposit will be very quick, at least 1 minute, at least 30 seconds. I assure you, 1 minute 30 seconds your deposit will have arrived if you do what I just told you. But if you don't do that, if you deposit less than what is shown to you here, this place, I don't know, you might have to contact support or issues. Okay, so do that as soon as possible so that you can start as soon as possible. And for those of you that want to deposit for long term, let's say you want to hold for 1 month, 3 months, 2 months, let me know in the comment section. Okay, what is your holding plan? How long do you want to hold this token? Is it 1 year, 1 month, 1 week, 3 weeks? Let me know in the comment sections. I can give you my own advice as well to it. So guys, so bye for now. This video is strictly for educational purpose and also for enlightenment. Okay, for knowledge and enlightenment, to enlighten those that don't understand this space. Okay, that's what I'm trying to reach. I'm trying to bring enlightenment to you, knowledge, okay, to eradicate ignorance, because ignorance is disease. Okay, once you eradicate ignorance, opportunity becomes possible for you. So that's why I'm making this content, so that you can learn how to navigate through the crypto industry and also investment opportunities that are currently available in the industry. So guys, remember, this is this tutorial is based on our community. Can you make how to deposit here? See what it's saying. I'm making this video for this particular subscriber, okay, or viewer rather. So if you are the one, go and watch this video and do your deposit if you want to deposit, so that you can go ahead with your transactions with that app. I hope I've made this self-explanatory. More questions are welcome. Do it to join our channel. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, do it to subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates and to get the latest any opportunities in the industry. So guys, bye for now. See you on the next update. Peace out.